Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about New York Doordash driver charged with allegedly using food delivery to steal packages off porches. So recently, one of my subscribers emailed me this article. William Ham, thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little conflicted on doing a video of my old hometown, or really home county, having a gig worker steal packages and getting caught for it, but you know what? It is something that we do need to talk about. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this email and in this article, how it actually is for Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers across the board and their corresponding customers who also get packages to their front door and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Hey there, longtime fan of your channel, been following you since before you got monetized. It's been great seeing your growth. This article came in my newsfeed, thought you might be interested. Might make some decent content discussing it. Be safe, the struggle is indeed real, but as long as we have a channel like yours, we're never alone.
I'm not crying, you're crying, stop.
First of all, thank you for being such a longtime fan. I do remember seeing a lot of your comments, actually. So let's go over the article you sent here. A Doordash driver in New York was arrested Wednesday after police said she used the delivery service of a food order to conceal the theft of a package in two separate instances. So a young woman was on Doordash and using Doordash as a source of income, but at the same time using Doordash as well to steal packages from customers. That's really messed up. Why do you do that to yourself? And not to mention, if you get caught doing it, that doesn't just affect your income on Doordash, that affects your life. It's not like they can't figure it out. Juliana Segram, 33, of Queens, is charged with 2 counts of petite larceny stemming from packages reportedly stolen on Sunday, September 3rd, according to the Nassau County Police Department. That is my county. That is the county I grew up in. You can't do that to me. Queens and Nassau are not actually all that far apart from each other, but where exactly did this take place? And why would you do that to yourself knowing that you could end up getting deactivated for it? Did you even put any thought into this? I doubt it. The department released the doorbell camera footage from one of the instances, which she allegedly shows Segram walking up to a house with a food order in her hand. Instead of leaving the bag of food, she can be seen taking the package off the porch and walking back to her car with both items in tow. She then enters a car parked near the driveway to the home and flees the scene. Okay, but that is also like the stupidest way you could have done it. I feel like people who steal like that and people who are the ones committing crimes don't even actually put thought into how they commit the crimes. Like, have you ever sat down with somebody and thought, oh, this is how they would do it if they did do it? And it's like you're actually putting some serious thought into it between you and the person you're discussing it with. And then you see things like this and you're like, you gave that person way too much credit. Like, seriously, you didn't even, like, cover yourself up. You were wearing sunglasses, sure, but it was literally you took the package, hopped in your car, and drove away. What the heck is that? Why would you do that to yourself? Nassau County Police said the aforementioned incident took place in Highland Terrace in Manhasset on September 3rd at 4:34 p.m. Authorities began investigating the package theft after the victim reported it was stolen from outside her residence. And the best part is it was all on Ring too. You saw that there was a camera. Not to mention these security cams are actually very affordable now, so it's not even all that great of an idea to begin with. Segram was also charged in a similar incident that took place at 5 p.m. the same day in Sands Point. So not only did you steal from this woman, you stole from another person immediately that day. How long have you been doing this? And did you just get lackadaisical at some point, or were you just bold today? Prior to thefts, police said Segram picked up an order from Chipotle for a Doordash customer before driving around the area looking for packages left outdoors. Oh, so you weren't even delivering to this customer, you were delivering in general, and you just looked around for packages. You're just a good old-fashioned porch pirate. My question is, do we even know for sure that this is a Doordash driver at that point? Doordash DoorDash should make a statement on this subject, confirming or disproving that statement. But it doesn't seem like DoorDash actually responded to this. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Regardless of whether she was pretending to be a DoorDash driver with a Chipotle order in her hand, or if she was using DoorDash as a tool for her porch piracy, or if she was even a DoorDash driver at all, none of that matters. Stealing other people's packages is just straight not okay. The fact of the matter is, this gets put onto DoorDash drivers everywhere. Like, seriously, it's like it's a competition to see how often you can make somebody look bad, you know? And who are the ones that are gonna get punished for that? The gig workers that are actually taking this seriously, because of the image of people like this who literally go out of their way to steal other people's stuff. It's never okay to do that to begin with, but doing it this often is really disgusting. All in all, just keep your work honest and by the book. Don't go stealing other people's packages. It's never okay. And remember that this isn't a reflection of all drivers, just this particular driver. And I really do hope that she gets the book thrown at her in this case. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and as always, stay wild.